Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove unwanted object from your video on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and for example, we're going to remove this watch from this video. So the first thing we're going to do is overlaying this video with the same video. So we can tap on the PIP option. Then you're going to select the same video, and this is the same video, and I'm going to tap on it. Okay, and I'm going to make them have the same ratio, so we can tap on this button. Alright, and here we can remove the unwanted object, so we can use the mask option. Just tap on the mask, and you're going to select the shape of the mask, and I'm going to select circle mask. Okay, and I'm gonna make the mask smaller like this, and we can take another part of the video to cover this watch. For example, I'm just going to take this part. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on this check mark button like this. Then you're going to move the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, now as you can see that the unwanted object has been covered, and you can adjust it. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And after you're satisfied, you can tap on this check mark button. Okay, and I'm just going to play the video to show you the final result. And alright guys, that's how we can remove unwanted object from video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.